1 free Robux legally without scams. I'll show you 5 real ways to earn Robux safely, plus tips to avoid scams. Let's go! Here I'm going to show you legitimate methods that actually work: subscription perks, events creating and selling, gift cards and giveaways, all the safe stuff. So the first method is the Roblox Premium. If you have Roblox Premium, you get a monthly Robux stipend and access to selling. So it's the easiest direct way. You pay a small monthly fee, like this one in here, this one, and you can get Robux back every month. So it's great if you plan to buy or sell items regularly. The second method, official events and promotions. So Roblox and partner events sometimes give free Robux or limited items that you can later sell. So you need to watch official Roblox events, seasonal promos and drops. So they're legit and often time limited. And the next one is create and sell. So this is the biggest long-term method. You can just here build games and make game passes or design avatar items and sell them. You can use the Roblox Studio to create a simple game or useful items, and players buy game passes and developer products with Robux, and you keep most of it. It takes effort, but it's how real creators earn Robux. And the next method is gift cards and redeem codes. So official Roblox gift cards store on online are the simplest free Robux if you win them. For example, in giveaways hosted by trusted creators or contests. Also, Roblox sometimes releases promo codes for free items. And the last method, you can just join creator programs or affiliates. So if you're building games, you can use Roblox affiliate or creator systems. You can use invite links, referrals, and developer exchange. That can reward you in Robux. So this is more advanced but worth learning if you want to scale. So to avoid scams, never use Robux generators, site asking for password or fake redeem forms. So if a site asks for your account or password, it's a scam. You need to enable two-step verifications and parental controls if you are under 13. So if this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe and earn Robux the right way. See you next time.